Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, in today's video we'll be talking about another wonderful airdrop called Dropee. Okay, this project has been around since July. Alright, so I just want to show you guys another amazing airdrop I believe you don't want to miss out from. Okay, so you don't want to miss out on this one, guys. You don't want to miss out on this one. So how it basically works is just like hamster. All right, so where you buy profit per hour, get your daily combo and other complete some other tasks. All right, this project is very massive. All right, it's very unique. Okay, so when you dive into the link from the description of this video, it just take you to the app. All right, where you complete tasks and then claim reward, to be a part of the project. Okay, so let's run through the app together. Okay, so we are going to be checking here, friends, quest and reward. Okay, so here you can see your profit per hour from here. This is your profit per hour. All right, this is daily reward, this is daily combo. Okay, and here this is where you can see the level that you are. Okay, you can boost your earnings from here. This is the amount of taps you have for now. All right, so let's check all the buttons. Okay, if you click, we are on the home page now. Okay, so I can tap, can use the whole of your finger to tap. Okay, then just get all your points for that day, and then you come to improve, and then you buy profit per hour. All right, in case you're coming in for the first time like this, or before then, okay, all right, maybe probably you, before you get to this video, this the timer might have run out for today, but I'll be uploading the last combo of today right on this channel, so stay tuned to get the daily combo. All right, so the last combo for today, I have not unlocked the combo. All right, let me show you guys. This is the last combo for today. All right, so I haven't unlocked it. That is why I could not get the daily combo. I just need 2 referrals to be able to unlock this. So he said I need this guy to unlock this guy, and for me to unlock this guy, I need 2 friends. All right, I need 2 friends to unlock it. So you guys can just help through the link, and then get to unlock it together. All right, so buy profit per hour, and then your mining increased. Okay, so you can also come through here. This is where you get your referral link. All right, so for every friend you invite, you get 5,000 of the Dropee token, and then for a premium friend you get 25,000 of the Dropee token. Okay, so you just copy your link from this place. All right, so next is your quest. All right, every day you come, you log in to claim your quest for the day, and then complete your tasks usually, and then we start you claim it for the day, and then this is other where you can spin and also earn some reward. All right, so right now I have some 6 spin. All right, here you can check your airdrop and see what is going on. Okay, how far has the airdrop gone? All right, so that's just it. So under the reward, I'm just going to claim some of my reward for the day. So I just claim that now. So that is that. All right, so I'll complete the rest later in the day. Okay, so for the daily reward, the 2 reward, I'll claim it. Now if you can see, say come back tomorrow, you can see the more you log in day after day, the more the reward you get. Okay, so you can see on the 28th day of being in this project, you will be receiving 1 billion of the token. All right, so you just need to keep active. All right, so everything about this airdrop will be dropped in the description of this video, the link, and also other daily combo of this airdrop will be released in this channel. So stay tuned to always get updated for the channel. I will be talking more of this project on this channel, so be alert. All right, so that's it for now, guys. Please, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.